I have a friend nearby. Let's visit him. Yes, let's go meet him. Hi, Jagu. Come, I'll show you the animals around here. This dog guards our gate. He's so friendly. These cats love playing here. They're so adorable. This cow eats grass all day. She looks peaceful. There are snakes in the field. Walk carefully.
Okay, we'll be careful.
These monkeys love jumping here. They're so lively. That crow is black. It's very loud. This pigeon is gray. So gentle. That sparrow is very small. It's really cute. This parrot is green with a red beak. It's beautiful. That peacock has many colors. Wow! Amazing! These binoculars show animals living far away in the jungle. Wow! Let's try them. I see a tiger. It's walking in the jungle.
Yes, tigers live deep in forests.
There's a lion. It looks so strong.
Lions also live in the jungle.
The elephant is playing in water. Elephants are gentle jungle animals. Those jungle animals were beautiful. Yes, they live safely in the forests. Thanks, Jagu. We love them.
Dear parents, make learning a daily habit at home. Watch our videos with your child and talk about discoveries. Cheer them on and please like, share and subscribe for more guided learning support. Let's learn and grow together.